I give you some information and guidelines about this project. First of all, let's talk about cover page. The cover page of the project must consist with the following details: full name of the school with address, subject enrichment activity 1, then session 2020-2021, after that student's name, then class first, after that subject math, then you have to mention your topic. Second point, it is mandatory to prepare your project in hard copy as well as soft copy. Third point, after the completion, take a picture of your hard copy and convert into a PDF and rename it with your name, class, subject and topic. The project work must be neat and clean. Fifth point, project will be further evaluated as for subject enrichment marks. Sixth point, the submission of the project will be in the month of July. Seventh point, this activity is compulsory. Children are supposed to do this themselves with the help of parents. Eighth point, choose any one of them and make according to the guidelines. First topic is create a collage using abstract art and 2D shapes from lesson number 9, shapes and pattern. Material you need for this topic are construction paper, crayons, glue stick, scissors, marker for outline. Instructions for this topic. Step 1. Students draw several circles using different sizes of lids or compass, or you can draw any other shape. The circle should overlap and leave the edge of the paper. Use crayons to color the shapes that were created by the overlapping circles. Make it colorful. Step 3. After coloring, fold the paper into 1/4 carefully. Cut along the fold to create 4 small paintings. Step 4. Use a glue stick to paste your paintings on a black piece of construction paper in the form of collage. Now, some example of abstract art using 2D shapes. Second topic is create a figure using 2D geometry shapes with cool and warm colored paper from lesson 9, shapes and pattern. Material you need for this topic are colored paper, glue, scissors. Instructions for this topic. Step 1. Child draws different shapes of different sizes. Cut all these shapes. Step 3. Paste these shapes on A4 sheet in the form of figure. Some example of figures using 2D geometry shapes. Third topic is using hand art, draw 4 seasons tree from lesson 11, time. Material you need for this topic are paper, watercolor, marker for outline. Instructions for this topic. Step 1. Using a pencil, child draw a faint line around the hand and arm of your child. Step 2. Paint the print brown. Step 3. cut out the shape and paste on A4 sheet. Step 4. Using a Q-tips or end of pencil or even your child's fingers, begin adding colored dots around the tree. Step 5. Build the dots with different colors. Try overlapping the dots and see the print transform into each particular season. Use colors for winter season, sky blue and white. For spring tree, pink, red and green. For summer tree, green, and autumn tree, you use yellow and brown color. Fourth and the last topic is make flowers using addition and subtraction fact families from lesson 7, addition and subtraction. Material you need for this topic are paper, colors, marker, glue stick and scissors. Instruction for this topic. Step 1. Draw flowers. Step 2. Fill colors. Step 3. Write equations on each petal using marker. Step 4. Cut them and paste. Step 5. Those have equations of each petal to equal the answer in the middle.